channel. So today's video is all about guessing the correct logo. So I'll give you two logos of a brand. You have to guess which one is the correct one.
Okay.
So number one,
Okay.
Coca-Cola.
Right one?
No,
Okay.
the left one because the C.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
Got it.
Next, Netflix.
Yeah. Left one.
Yeah, correct. Because
The right one is.
the red shade
yeah,
in the
it's
between.
behind. Okay.
Next, Starbucks.
Starbucks.
घर चला जाएगा.
Left one. नहीं, right one.
Right one.
Right one. Yeah.
Right one. Because इसका wings इस साइड लेफ्ट वाले साइड में कम लाइंस है. Next, Spotify.
Spotify.
So simple. It's the right one.
Right one.
Eyebrows, 3 broad eyebrows. Next, Pringles.
Right one.
Yeah, because the
Bow tie. Yeah.
and then Pringles. Next,
McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Which?
Right one.
Right one. Lamba
Yeah.
one.
Right. Right. Next, Domino's.
Domino's is the right one.
Left one.
Right one.
Right, left.
Left.
Right.
The correct answer is the right one.
Whoa.
Next,
Oh.
Best.
Hey, right one. Right one.
हाँ right one.
Right.
खाली N है वो.
And हाँ.
correct. Next, Samsung.
Left one. Samsung fanboy. Left one.
You.
Left one.
Next, Facebook.
Facebook.
Left one.
Left one.
100%
Yeah.
लिख के ले
Left
ले.
one.
Why social media kill?
So the answer is पक्का the left one, guys.
Yes. Yes.
Wait. हाँ left one.
Left one, left
110%.
Left. Next,
कम.
Twitter.
ही इसको कौन सा पंगे?
हाँ,
Left ही है.
Left. उसमें feathers इतने नहीं है. हाँ, I know.
Left. Correct. Next,
ये नहीं पता भाई ये तो.
Olympics ना? This
हाँ.
is.
तो लफड़ा हो
guess
गया.
तो करो.
Left.
एक second. हाँ, I think so. Left.
Guys, you are correct. It is left.
Red वाला okay last में. Nice.
Yes.
Next,
What
Subway.
is the Subway?
I'm taking a wild guess. It should be the right one because yellow is on top.
I think it's the left one. What is the correct answer, host?
So Krishna is right with his answer.
Left one.
Chalo, at least I know that my team has good knowledge.
Left one.
100%.
Yeah, the broad font.
I'm here. Next.
Right.
What?
Right.
हाँ, right.
Right. Guys, are you sure?
Red वाला क्रोम में ऊपर ही रहता है.
Are you sure?
क्रोम खुला भी नहीं है यहाँ पे.
पक्का ना?
Yes,
Right ही है.
right.
एक बार देख लो.
हाँ 100%.
Right.
Right.
Confuse करते हैं.
Next.
ये टाको घंटी.
MG.
टाको घंटी का क्या difference?
मुझे भी-
घंटी
हाँ।
ऊपर है या एक मिनट.
This is the.
This is a very मतलब एकदम बारीकी से.
Left.
हाँ.
Left.
I think right.
दोपहर को ही खाया मैं.
Guys, are you sure?
I say the right. Okay.
And you, Simon?
He says the left.
Wait. Let me see.
Guys,
दोपहर
सोच
को-
लो, दो सोच लो, फिर से सोच लो.
दोपहर को खाता से बोला. नहीं, I'll go with the right.
हाँ I think right.
You
one is
had
the-
it in lunch, na?
Right. The right one is the correct answer.
Yeah, the right one.
Yes. इसको क्या हो गया? Bye breakup हो गया.
Right one.
Obviously.
He's happy. He's a happy ghost.
फिल्टर लगाया ना तो फिल्टर में तो सब खुश ही रहते हैं. नेक्स्ट.
Audi. अबे.
4 rings यार. Left one.
चार बांगड़ी.
हाँ.
चार बांगड़ी.
चलो नेक्स्ट.
Left.
Left.
5 कार्ड है मेरे पास. 5.
Nice.
लेफ्ट ही है ब्रो.
Left.
100% लॉक किया जाए.
लेफ्ट पक्का.
Yes.
So yes, the correct answer is left. So let us know कि आपने कितने logos correct guess किए हैं. This was the video. So we'll come up with the more fun videos to you. Till then, like, share, comment and subscribe to Productivity Media.